SlimFast Keto Fat Bomb Snacks, Peanut Butter Cup, 17 grams, 14 count box, 8.4 ounce. Milk chocolate coating chocolate, erythritol, cocoa butter, whole milk powder, inulin, natural vegetable fiber, non-fat dry milk, soy lecithin, natural vanilla extract, salt, stevia leaf extract, MCT oil blend, palm kernel, coconut, peanut butter, friendly and shelf-stable. Contains 14 individually wrapped SlimFast Keto Low-Carb Ketogenic Nutrition Fat Bombs. SlimFast Keto Fat Bombs combine the balance of whey protein and collagen to provide a balance of nutrients for your body to shift the carbs to fat as fuel. SlimFast Keto is part of the clinically proven SlimFast plan, combining over 40 years of weight loss success with tasty and satisfying products. Optimize your keto diet with SlimFast Keto Fat Bombs by assisting your body in achieving ketosis and burn fat for energy.